we still have like another, what, 2 weeks? A week.
Yeah,
after Labor Day.
Yeah.
Another week's coming in quickly.
Okay.
And that leads us right into, of course, the Labor Day weekend, kind of that last unofficial grab of summer.
Yeah.
A lot of people going down to the beach, and that's where I think we're going to see some big impacts out of the storms we've been talking about. They're talking about these two storms, both Idalia and Franklin. Franklin is a monster storm out in the Atlantic right now, not threatening any landfall, any land, but it's looking at it could become a Category 5. I mean, winds right now at 145, 150 miles per hour, strong Category 4. We're looking at Idalia as well, and I gave you that update at the top of the show, just shy of a Category 1 hurricane. Now, the track on both of these, Franklin will stay offshore, and it won't impact Bermuda either, directly, of course. We're going to see some landfall from Idalia on Wednesday morning, likely as a major hurricane, a Category 3. But when it comes to our local area, what's going to happen? Franklin will continue to go out to sea. Idalia is going to turn and head out to the east as well. So neither one of these will directly hit us. However, with a Category 4/5 out here, and then a tropical storm, that's going to send all that wave energy up and down the entire eastern seaboard, high surf, rip current threat. They're going to be around later this week and into the weekend as well. And so that is what our local impacts are from these two storms. The biggest is going to be felt down the shore late this week and weekend because of that, the high surf and the high rip currents. We're also going to be talking about some gusty north winds, especially on Thursday. But for us, cold front sweeping in from the north on Wednesday and into Thursday, and that front is going to act like a bulldozer and essentially kick those storms out of here. That's why they're shifting to the east. So we're looking at some drier conditions, but we're looking at some breezy conditions out of the north. Now tonight we do have some showers off and on, and it's not straight rainy evening, down into the low 70s, but some clouds out there with a few stray showers potentially as we go into the night tonight. And like today, we're going to see a similar setup tomorrow with a mostly cloudy sky, tons of dry time, but we will have a shower or two off and on, perhaps a rumble of thunder. We're in that general thunderstorms category, but as we look ahead 24 hours from now, again, tracking a few showers into your early Wednesday morning, and then this kicks on out of here. And look what happens. By Wednesday afternoon and evening, we dry out, but you see these lines, what are called wind barbs. These are these northerly winds that are going to help push those systems out, but they'll really start to increase by Thursday. So tomorrow, 79 degrees with showers, 79 down the shore, 78 for the Lehigh Valley. I mean, that's pretty much where we're going to be, upper 70s to about 80 degrees. And then once those clouds and showers clear out of here Wednesday morning, for us, the weekend's looking fabulous. I mean, 78 on Friday with a morning start of 60, 82 on Saturday. So Friday, Saturday, and even Sunday. Got the rough seas, but the local weather conditions are actually looking really nice, guys. So we're getting lucky from this one.
Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it.